Welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. Today's episode, we are going to see gems of silk cotton sarees. Beautiful silk cotton sarees in different styles and color combinations. This time we have lots and lots of different color combinations. All these sarees are available in our website. We are going to show you only few sarees. We have some retapet borders. We have jacquards. We have beautiful buttas. We have Vairaosis, Vairaosi butta and silver zaris in silk cottons this time. Let's get started, but before that, all these sarees are uploaded in our website. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link given in the description, which will directly take you to the collections page. To get immediately notified whenever we upload a video, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. All these sarees are as good as silk. Silk cotton is 60% pure silk and 40% cotton. So it's always better to dry clean these sarees for a longer life. The first one for today, a very pretty orange and pink retapet border. Beautifully woven zari borders, simple and elegant temples and anams along the border. The middle portion of the sari is in orange with small zari woven buttas. This has got a contrast pallu in pink, that's the pallu, and a pink blouse, that's the blouse. This sari is priced at 3,830. Another color, same style, purple and green with long retapet border. The middle portion of the sari has got small zari woven buttas with a contrast pink pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a green blouse. Priced at 3,830. One more color, navy blue and green with traditional retapet border with zari woven lines. The middle portion has got small buttas woven in golden zari with a contrast green pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a green blouse. Priced at 3,830. The next one is Mandalay Green, a self color with traditional retapet border, beautiful zari woven borders on either sides with small zari buttas running in the middle portion of the sari. This has got a simple pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse. Priced at 3,830. One more color, a beautiful peacock blue with retapet border. The middle portion has got small zari woven buttas with a contrast green pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a green blouse. Priced at 3,830. The next one is silver zari, a beautiful pastel shade with traditionally woven silver zari borders. The body goes plain with simple lines of zari along the pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a running blouse, that's the blouse. Priced at 3,150. The next one is maroon with silver zari, contrast piping on either sides with a plain body. This has got simple lines of zari along the pallu, that's the pallu, and a plain blouse. Priced at 3,150. The next one, dual shade of purple and blue, same style in golden zari this time, beautifully woven borders in golden zari with a plain body in double shade. This has got a contrast pallu, simple lines of zari running along the pallu, and a contrast blouse. That's the blouse in peacock blue. Priced at 2,950. The next one is lime green and copper sulfate blue, golden zari again with beautiful blue piping. The body goes plain with a contrast blue pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a blue blouse. Priced at 2,950. The next one is orange and green with traditionally woven zari borders on either sides. The entire body goes plain with a contrast green pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a green blouse. Priced at 3,240. The next one is mango yellow and copper sulfate blue combination with traditionally woven bawanji borders on either sides. The body goes plain in shimmery finish with a contrast pallu in blue. That's the pallu. And this has got a blue blouse. Priced at 3,240. The next one is dual shade of magenta and pink with bawanji border on either sides and a small pink piping. The entire body goes plain with a contrast pink pallu. That's the pallu. Simple lines of zari. And this has got a pink blouse. That's the blouse. Priced at 3,240. The next one, a very pretty blue with orange combination. This has got bawanji borders on either sides with a small orange piping. The body goes plain with a contrast rich pallu in orange. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast blouse. Priced at 3,240. The next one is a very pretty green with pink traditional combination with small bawanji borders on either sides. The body goes plain with a contrast pink pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a pink blouse. Priced at 3,025. The next one is lemon green, a dual shade of green and yellow with red combination. Bawanji border woven in golden zari on either sides with a plain body. This has got a red pallu, a rich pallu woven in golden zari and a contrast red blouse. Priced at 3,240. The next one is teal and pink with bawanji border again. Plain body, beautifully woven borders on either sides with a contrast pink pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a pink blouse. So that's the blouse. Priced at 3,240. The next one is coffee brown and maroon combination with traditionally woven zari borders with small paisleys along either sides of the border. The entire body goes plain with a rich pallu in maroon. That's the pallu. And this has got a maroon blouse. Priced at 3,530. The next one is a very pretty shade of chiku and green. Traditionally woven zari borders with green piping. The entire body is in double shade with a shimmery finish with a contrast rich pallu in green. That's the pallu. And this has got a green blouse. Priced at 3,530. The next one is traditional Vairaosi, a beautiful combination of maroon and mustard with traditionally woven temple borders and golden zari on either sides. And the entire body has got small lines of golden zari running horizontally throughout the body with beautiful buttas. This has got a rich pallu in mustard. That's the pallu. And a mustard blouse. Priced at 4,270. The next one is coffee brown and orange in Vairaosi again with temple borders in either sides. And the entire body has got lines of zari running horizontally with beautiful buttas. This has got a contrast orange pallu. That's the pallu. And a contrast blouse. Priced at 4,270. The next one, another color, a beautiful blue and orange with same temple borders, lines of zari running horizontally with beautiful buttas woven in golden zari along the body. This has got a contrast orange pallu and an orange blouse. Priced at 4,270. This one is silk cotton jacquard. The entire saree has got a self-woven pattern in geometric weave with traditionally woven borders on either sides in golden zari. This has got a contrast green pallu, a rich pallu and a green blouse. That's the blouse. This saree is priced at 3,990. The next one is yellow and purple. Again a silk cotton jacquard saree with a self-woven pattern running throughout the body. Traditionally woven zari borders on either sides. This has got a purple pallu, a rich pallu woven in golden zari, and a contrast purple blouse. Priced at 3,990. The next one is black and pink, a jacquard saree again with a self-woven pattern throughout the body, rich zari borders with pink piping. This has got a rich pallu in pink, completely woven in golden zari, and a pink blouse. Priced at 3,990. The next one is violet and mango yellow, self-woven pattern again with beautiful geometric weaves running throughout the body, contrast borders on either sides, traditionally woven in golden zari. This has got a pallu in yellow, a rich pallu woven in golden zari, and a contrast blouse. Priced at 3,990. The next one is a beautiful pastel shade of onion pink with green piping. So one side goes plain, and towards the bottom part of the border, this has got beautiful temples woven in golden zari with a contrast rich pallu in green. That's the pallu. And this has got a green blouse. This saree is priced at 5,290. The next one is lime green and pink with traditionally woven buttas and zari borders on either sides. This has got a contrast pink pallu, that's the pallu, and a pink blouse with golden buttas for the sleeves. Priced at 3,890. The next one is magenta with kaddi zari border on either sides, and the entire body has got beautifully woven annams running throughout the body with a rich pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a plain blouse. Priced at 3,990. The next one is orange and green with kaddi zari border on either sides, and the entire body has got thread woven annams throughout the body with a contrast green pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a green blouse, that's the blouse. Priced at 3,990. The next one is a very traditional combination of bottle green and red with beautifully woven zari borders on either sides, and the entire body has got mango buttas woven in golden zari with a contrast pallu in red, that's the pallu, and this has got a red blouse with mango buttas for the sleeves. The saree is priced at 3,890. Another color, same style, teal with orange, simple borders on either sides with mango buttas woven in golden zari running throughout the body. This has got a contrast orange pallu, that's the pallu, and an orange blouse. Priced at 3,890. The next one is peacock blue with mustard combination. Beautifully woven annams in golden zari running throughout the body with kaddi zari borders on either sides. This has got a mustard pallu, a rich pallu woven in golden zari, and a mustard blouse. Priced at 3,990. The next one is violet and pink with zari borders and beautiful buttas in mango running throughout the body. This has got a contrast pink pallu, that's the pallu, and a pink blouse. Priced at 3,890. All these sarees are available in our website. We have many more color combinations that are available. You can always log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link given in the description, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video and have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.